This is going to be a video tutorial on how to rename your PC in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. To rename your computer in Windows 11, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go down to the taskbar down here, down to the start icon. You want to place your mouse cursor over the start icon and right click. Then I'm going to go up to settings and click on settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, you want to make sure that you're on the system icon. And then in the middle here, the middle pane, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you see it says About, and click on About. Now at the very top up here, it tells you what my computer's name is. My computer's name is my name. But off to the right here, you could see it says Rename this PC. I'm going to click on that. Another little dialog box opens up here, and I'm not going to change my computer's name here, but it tells you what the current PC name is. My name. Yours will have your name on it. But you can enter a new name in here. Then you just go down to the bottom here and you would click on Next, and then it would tell you you need to restart your computer. That is how to rename your PC in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.